Welcome back to my channel. I am doing a haul video today. I got the best shopping done yesterday while I was waiting for my daughter to get done with her appointment. And I found some fun things and discovered kind of a new way to go forward with book pages. So I make a lot of things with book pages, and I haven't recently needed to find any new books for that. But now that I've been making a lot more, I need more. So I discovered this map book, and if you go to your thrift stores, you might find map books like this because people generally use their phones or in-car navigation. This is the way that we used to look up like how to get places. So I found this one, and then I've pulled out a couple of the pages because I'm going to make some envelopes out of them. And these are just regular 8.5 by 11 sheets. Obviously, I'm going to cut off the edges, but I thought they were perfect for making envelopes, but also I'll probably make some tags out of them and definitely pockets. So I was really excited about that one. Okay, the other thing I thought about was these big reference books. So in my thrift store, a hardcover book is a hardcover book. So this giant, look at that, dictionary is the same price as any other hardcover book. So you get a lot more pages for your money. And then you get this beautiful, this one I bought because I love the blue on the inside. And I have a lot of blue stuff I can use with it. The only thing I wished that I could have had, and this is with both dictionaries, is I do not love the cut tabs, but I think I might be able to figure out a way to use those. So French dictionary, and then an English dictionary, which is a dictionary I used to have and have gotten rid of it years ago. So just nice big pages. These make really good. They're not super thin, which is nice because usually when you get a big reference book like this, you can have challenges with page thickness. And so in that case, you can always put pages together. I was thinking yesterday while I was at the store how there are certain books that I would never use for this kind of a project. One of them is the Bible, and Bible paper is really, really thin. I was in publishing for a while, and this is about 2 times the thickness or 3 times the thickness of Bible paper. Usually you can tell by how much you can see through to the other pages. And the thinner the paper is, the more the opposite page will shine through. Okay, excited for these. Now, I also got a ton of other stuff that I'm excited about. First, this. I am always looking for extra, like things I can take on the road. To be like cutting spaces for, like, if you're going to be doing some of your crafting in a hotel. I really like this one as well because it has the angles on it. So if you're wanting a triangle or a specific cut, you can find it on this. Okay. Now, oh yeah, this was a fun one. I thought this was fun because, okay, I got 2 sticker packages, and this is one of them. And it had, this one was great because it also has so much other fun stuff in it. So there are some things that I may or may not use. This one has like divine, magical, unique. Unicorns are not my thing, so I'll probably just take most of the unicorn stickers, and you would find those in the sticker packets that I make for my junk journal starter kits and my ephemera kits. This I'm excited for. This is archival mounting and hinging tape. So one thing that I have been playing around with in my junk journal that I'm working on, is this it? No, it goes this way, is hinging. So I made these little cards with vellum cutouts in them, and then I wanted them to put something behind them. So you can see I just use washi tape for hinging, but if I really want it to stay in there, then I definitely am going to need something stronger like this mounting and hanging tape. But this is also mending tape, and it's transparent. So for making a hinge, that's going to be cool. Okay, these paper flowers all have stickers on them. It's fun for making some interest. I got more brads. I love pewter brads. They're probably my favorite. And these are the smaller brads, the 1/8. I was so excited when I saw these. These are burlap flowers. And then I got also in there these burlap, flaps and stickers that are, flags and labels. So those are very fun. These are not stickers, but actually iron-on transfers. So I am going to think hard about what to do with those. A couple of the things I got in this packet, and maybe some in the other sticker packet, is these embellishments that just are embellishments. So fun. This one is baby. I don't do a lot of baby. It says like bundle of joy. I might use it, however, for things like tying up a package, which could be a bundle of joy without being baby. Okay, some soccer stickers and basketball stickers. Paw Patrol letters. These fun little, I remember these, like these remind me of my sticker books when I was a kid. I just had tons of things like this. And these are also, like I would say these are probably meant for teachers. Colorful thinking, striking progress, shining success. So these are stickers. They are, let's see if I can get them off a little bit. They are clear stickers. So that's going to be interesting. And some guitar ones. And Jurassic Park temporary tattoos. So I don't know that I will use these for junk journaling. In fact, I probably won't. But I do do some stuff with soccer locally, so I'll probably use those for kids. And these tiny stickers, I just love these. I think they will work so well as little accents in junk journals. Okay, so that was sticker pack 1. And this is sticker pack 2. Okay, sticker pack 2 had a ton of really cool things in it. One, these are stickers, literally stickers. They look like stamps, like the clear stamps that you use, but they are really stickers. And they have a little bit of depth, and they are acrylic, so they feel a little harder. Then press-on gemstones. I mean, who doesn't need a press-on gemstone? And then these stickers, some vacation-y stickers, more vacation-y stickers. I love these. Hearts are also not flat. These are debossed foil stickers, which I thought were so cool. And also it makes me want to try debossing foil stickers. See, this is another one of those, like, it's just a piece of embellishment, and it is not a sticker. So you just glue that right in. Some more gems. These 2 pieces, which one is vacation. And look at this. I was so excited for this. It's nice little vintagey piece of stickers. And then this is like, I think these are just, these are just die cut. Oh no, these are stickers, jumbo stickers. They're called Defying Gravity. So obviously they go along with that Wicked movie that's going to come out again. And then these are punch outs. They are just paper. And then, oh my goodness, look at this. Like a whole film strip. Oh, I just love that. Some unicorn stencils. Like I said, I'm not sure I will use these. However, I do have artists as kids, and so they might be interested in those. These are JoJo Siwa tattoos. And this is like just letters and numbers. Some more theme stickers. These ones are ocean themed, and I love them, and they have little bubbles on them. These are puffy unicorn stickers. Again, right into my going away box. And then this whole thing, like I got a bunch of these. These are IKEA, and I think they're for walls, possibly, but they are stickers. And so you get the piece with the hands on it, obviously, and then you get these other pieces with it. So those are super fun and will be amazing for my junk journal. And then calculator stickers. Oh yeah, these are to put on your calculator so that you know it's your calculator and not somebody else's. Some more gems. We saw those. I love these. These are clear stickers. This one says peace and happiness. This one says live and love, live life. Those are fun. And then more, yes, you did it stickers, which is, clearly teachery, but can be used also in a junk journal. And more of these. Each one of these sheets is different, so I have a lot of different ones. More nice. These are nice job stickers, which I think are so cool. And then this is the final one of these quote stickers that are acrylic. And just a couple of campfire ones. So that was very fun find. Now, I've been getting a couple more stencils. So I did pick this up thinking, I hope there's some good stencils in there. And there are. So this is a love stencil, obviously. It's a little big for journaling. I'm not sure I'm going to keep that. This is great, fun, the letters. This is your classic, stencil letters. And then all of these are dog related. I will definitely use the paw prints. I may or may not use the bigger paw prints, probably not. And then there's some bones and paw prints and hearts and love and a love with the thing. Hope you like dogs. And this one is all you need is love and a dog. So I'm not sure those will get as much use as these. So these are really pretty. I should put something here. It's my sticker thing this is what I use when I am doing stamping on my pad to keep it clean. So there's this one. Love the bows. Love the flower. There's so much I will be able to get with that one. This one, which is that's that way. Like a dove. I love this doily. Tons of great. Oh, and this was the other thing I was excited about is there is a butterfly. So that's really cool. And then look at these. These are math related stickers, but I just love the amount of different types of numbers that are on there. I think we'll get a lot out of that. All right. Oh yeah, here we come into the stamping parts. So yesterday when I was there, I have gotten a lot of these recently, these stamp arounds, and I was looking for another handle like this. I did not find it, but I did find some more of the wheels. This one is for the smaller handle, and let's see. Yeah, you can see it. See those leaves? So I love that. This is a small sticker that says, a stamp that says hugs. These are all baby related. So you do get the postcard, but it's, very baby related. And then these are like related to birthday or thank you, best wishes. I like these. There's a couple of really cool ones in there. And then this one. This I just love. Look at all the possibilities. Like all of these stamps like this are 2 pieces. So you can do them like the whole thing, or you can do each of the individual pieces, which I love. And then I got some to and from stickers, 2 of them, which I like. And then these stamps and these stamps. So that was and then this last one, which is just a little note. This was a good find. I mean, these were, clearly I'm going to use them. This ink is just jet black ink. It is permanent, and I will use that as well. All right, here we go. Next one. Okay. Here's my final 2. So this one is another couple of these. And this has like a rolling bear on it. And this has a kitty. Going through lots of different iterations. I love those. All right, so these are Rolodex refills. And while I don't know what I'm going to do with them yet, they are definitely a perfect size for junk journaling. And there's lots of things I can think of to do with them. I just haven't decided quite where we are yet. I mean, like you could make tabs. So cut off this part and then you have a tab on this end. You cut off the ends and you have this tab. Or you cut off this part and you have the tab on that end. So definitely lots of possibilities. Tabs are for hinging, so we'll use that with these things. Okay, and last but not least, I got this box, and it had push pins in it, which are great, and I use them. And then this whole group of beautiful, undecorated white cards. I am more likely to actually punch a hole on this side as well, because this is the kind of thing where you can use this as like a plate on the front of a junk journal, or even in the middle, like a chapter or divider of some sort that you want to make. And you put your brads in on both sides. See how that would be cool? And I'll show you. Let's see. I have my right. My stuff is all over my desk because I've been crafting like crazy with the time that I have right now, which is a little bit limited, so I'm not doing as much cleaning up. And I don't see my 1/8 inch hole punch, so I can't show you what it would look like on the other side, but I just think that this will be a really cool, like once you decorate it, you can put that almost anywhere as a label or, a cutout. I just love it. Plus it had a little box, which I also am a fan of. All right, that's it. Haul for the week. I have been working on lots of different products here. I'm definitely crafting away and having a lot of fun. So I hope that you are too. If you like to watch haul videos, keep me in my definite addiction. Go ahead and like and subscribe and get that notification bell going so that you can know whenever I put up a new video. I hope you all are having a great day. Happy crafting.